Hi, it's been a while since the last time I gave you some updates, so I thought it's a good time now to give you another one. A few things did happen meanwhile. First, I want to show you the key rings for the funding campaign, which are simply amazing. So this is a key ring. You put your existing keyring here and you wear it together with your keys. It is a perfectly detailed miniature replica of the ELLO system with thank you for your support, which I really do. And yeah, it is great. I'm happy with the result. It even has the side plating with the gold as the original ELLO does. So yeah, this is good, and people will very soon receive their key rings. The other thing is not that much good though. It's been some massive confusion between myself and the creator of the MMBasic, Jeff Graham. So this came from the fact I needed to make some additions and adjustments to the original MMBasic, which Jeff created and generously provides the source code. I presented these changes to the small MMBasic community of which I'm aware, and unfortunately for my extremely big surprise, both Jeff and the rest of his community, in which obviously he stands really high, acted completely unexpected, and yeah, apparently Jeff saw some threat from my side to his little kingdom, which is absolutely ungrounded, because I really have great support to his work, and the fact I'm using it here, credit to Jeff Graham, without any claims from my side about any additions. I believe it is a sign for the situation. I only made the additions which are needed to fully support the ELLO hardware, simply because they were not in the MMBasic, and people are simply waiting for their systems. So the additions include, as you can see, upgraded font, which now includes 224 characters to cover the entire ISO 8859-15 code table, which basically means people from different countries can write text on the screen in their own native language. Other things include support for the multiple SD cards in the ELLO system. MMBasic originally supports one only. There is a bootloader added in the system, so you can upgrade the firmware simply by connecting the USB to your PC. Other small things like that, so nothing really exclusive, and absolutely no claim from my side about anything being presented as my work. So MMBasic is still Jeff's baby, and I have significant, very big support and respect to his work. But unfortunately he acted surprisingly bad on this occasion, and I'm still trying to negotiate with him and let these additions to the ELLO system make their way to the people, so they can use effectively their systems. This is unfortunately something which delays a little bit the delivery of these systems, and I hope it will not delay very much. In the worst case scenario, if Jeff is really unwilling to cooperate with me about this, I will simply have to move away from the MMBasic and create another language for the ELLO system, which unfortunately will take some time, and that time will be felt by the supporters of the campaign. I really hope it will not get there. So in case Jeff watches this video, please understand this is only to support the ELLO, and no other claims from my side about the MMBasic. So I wanted to show you here the chess, which has been featured in the funding campaign. It is not very fancy, but completely finished chess program, and it is completely playable too. So two people can play against each other, or one person can play against the computer, or even the computer can play against itself. So by default the game starts in a two-player mode, but at any point in the game there is this little button ELLO, which simply makes a move whenever the time for move is. So right now it's the white's turn. If I press ELLO, white will make a turn, computer calculated turn. So this has been written entirely in BASIC. It is fairly simple program, so don't expect high speed from it, or don't expect it being very smart, but it does play according to the chess rules, as much as I know chess. So here we go. We can make another turn with the ELLO in white, and so on. So ELLO plays chess. This chess program is still not completely finished though, so the save game button doesn't work, and the load game button doesn't work in the front page, but everything else is completely finished. The game is playable, and you can see it working. So yeah, that's been so far. I hope next time I will give you some better news about the MMBasic, because currently the computers are in the factory. They are being manufactured right now, and the only delay might come from me being unable to release the ELLO system with the MMBasic additions which are needed to support the ELLO system. So I will keep trying with Jeff, and in the worst case scenario I will have to make another language. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.